we started late meeting. Okay, anyway, don't worry. We start our class now. What we discussed our last class? Mole concept we started. Given any problems? What is the last formula we discussed? Last formula? Sums. Okay, mole to volume. We started. Is it correct? Stoichiometric calculations. Mole volume completed. Okay, fine. What is the next one sliding I given? Weight or mole weight? Which is I given? I think so. Mole volume. We make give one more example. Maybe you can see. Make and take here. PCl5 gives rise PCl3 plus Cl2. Solar gas state. Here 1 mole. Here also 1 mole. 1 mole. We are measuring at STP conditions. You can take 1 mole equal to how much, sir, at STP conditions? 22.4 liters volume. So if this is 1 mole, will provide, if you want in terms of volume, 22.4 liters. This is also 22.4 liters. Clear? If I am taking here 0.25 moles, we are heating. How much PCl3? How much Cl2 will get? 1 mole, 22.4 liters. Then 0.25 moles, how much? Can you find answers? Yes, very good. Array, this is 0.25 means 1 by 4. You can do this also by 4. I think so. 5.6 liters is correct. If you have doubt, you can see 1 mole gives 22.4 liters. Then 0.25 gives how much? You can get X equal to 22.4 into 0.25. That's nothing but 5.6 liters. Clear? So this is moles and volume relation. Mole volume relation. We can take liters, liter or ml. We are using our chemistry volume mostly in liters or ml only. Mostly that is our which we are using problems. Okay, shall we go next slide? What is the next heading I given? Next heading. After mole volume relation I given any next heading? Weight relation. Okay, fine. Thank you. Next slide. Right, weight relations. Weight relations. Now we are going to be right. Take CaCO3 heating CaO plus CO2. This is gas. This is solid. Clear? What is the weight of this one here? CaCO3, calculate weight of CaCO3 100 grams, sir. Here 56 grams. This is 44 grams. You can write left side mass equal to right side mass also. Now we can see weight relation. Suppose I am heating 1 gram of CaCO3. This is basic data. We have to know that one. This is you should be know that one. They won't give an examination. Now question is 1 gram of CaCO3 we are heated. How much CaO you will get? And how much CO2 you will get? So 100 gives 56. 1 gram gives how much, sir? This is 0.56, 0.44. So this is weight and they're asking weight only. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Next. What's the next heading after weight relation? We will do all based on all the types of completed calculation. Then we can do numericals. Just formality purpose, I am giving each one example. Once this completed, we can solve more number of examples. If possible, you can try recent questions also. What's the next one? Volume and volume. Okay, fine. Volume relation. Already you should, I think so you got some idea also. Now they will give volume, they will ask volume only. Assume that one all these measurements occurs at STP conditions. Assume that one. This is 1 volume, 3 volume, 2 volume, or so make an assume here 1 mole, because in front of this one 3 mole, 2 mole. At STP 1 mole equal to 22.4 liters. This is 3 into 22.4 liters. Because 3 volume, that's why volume, place of volume I am writing here 2 into 22.4 liters. This is the basic definition. Clear? Please note down this is. We can solve a numerical problem. Completed? Now write, sir. Same we are writing. If we are taking here 5.6 liters of N2 reacted with hydrogen, how much ammonia you will get? 5.6 liters of N2 react with hydrogen, how much? How much will get ammonia? How much here? Suppose I am taking 5.6 liters. Done? 11.2 liters. Oh, most of the people they given 11.2 liters. Fine. So 1 mole 2 means 5.6 means how much, sir? Okay, 11.2 liters. Fine. I think the next weight volume we given. Next one, relation weight volume. Is it correct? Next heading. Next heading I given weight volume. Is it correct? Next heading. Fine.
ఏమన్నాడు
100 grams. This is, you can say, volume STP conditions 22.4 liters. If I am taking here 50 grams, how much? Otherwise, one more example. KClO3 we are heating. We'll get here 2 KCl plus 3 O2. Okay. And STP conditions, 100 grams you are taking, how much you will get, sir? 22.4 liters. 50 grams means how much? Array, this is gas also. Please find, sir. Gas also. If I'm asking weight, you can give weight. That's the thing you have to find out. Weight volume relation. I am giving weight. Now I am asking volume in gas state. Okay, only gas substance you have to take. Based on relation, you have to proceed question. What they're asking, let's you have to solve, sir. Good, good. And if you have any doubts, you can ask. And this is KCl, sir. KCl, this is solid. This is gas state. Now question is simple. If I want to get here 11.2 liters of oxygen, what is the weight of KClO3? Can you solve anyone this question? How much KClO3 I need to heat to get 11.2 liters of oxygen? Anyone can you solve? How much weight of KClO3 should be heated to get 11.2 liters of oxygen? Fine. Array here, very simple. If I am heating 100 grams of CaCO3, I am getting 22.4 liters because this is 1 mole. If I am heating 50 grams of CaCO3, how much you will get? I think you can get this is 11.2 liters is your answer. Now question is, how much weight of KClO3 we need to heat to get 11.2 liters of oxygen? So I am asking reverse, sir. What is the weight of KClO3? Anyone is solved? What is the weight of KClO3? Weight of KClO3. 122.5. Okay, fine. Very simple, sir. I'm writing here KClO3 2 moles. We can heat. We get 2 KCl plus 3 O2. KClO3 can find out, sir. Potassium 39, Cl 35.5, and oxygen 48. How much will you get, sir? Finally, 17 plus 5. 22. 6, 6, 12. 122.5. That is correct. Fine. Very good. Very good. Correct. Correct. Here 2 into 122.75 grams we are heating. I will get here 3 into oxygen. How much, sir? Each 1 mole. 1 mole equal to how much? 22.4 liters we will get. But question is, I need 11.2 liters. How much this is? Weight should be. Just cross. Array, above information you have to know that one. That's we won't give in the question. You have to know that is by solving equation. Then x equal to 11.2 liters into 2 into 122.5 by 3 into 22.4. By solving this is how much you are getting answers. Anyone who done this question? Array, someone they given 61.25, someone 40.8, which is correct. Try again. 40.8, someone 20 point also they given 20.41. Are this challenge for you people? We are all our J students. Calculation should not do mistake. Take challenge again, recheck again your calculations. So this approximately 2 times, sir. And these 2 will be cancelled. Then 122.5 by 3. I think it's approximately 40 plus 40.83 or 8. 40.83 or 84 is correct answer, sir. 40.8. Okay, approximately giving. This is correct answer. How many people you understood, sir, this question? See everything in front of you. Actual data they won't provide. That's you need to write. Now question is, I given question 11.2 liters I need oxygen. How much I have to heat? So if I want to get 11.2 liters, I need to heat 40.8 grams of KClO3. Yes, correct. Always table calculations only. See again, this data they won't provide, sir. In any question they won't provide this data. This is you need to write. Clear? If 11.2 liters of oxygen I required, how much KClO3 I have to heat? If I am heating 2 into 122.5 grams, I will get 3 into 22.4 liters. If I need 11.2 liters oxygen, how much we have to heat? So back cross, just back multiplication you can see 11.2 into 2 into 120.5 by 3 into 20.4. We solve this one, you will get weight how much. Very simple, sir. We are doing only one method. I am not doing every problem different methods. Array, I hope you know that one. 1 mole of gas equal to how many liters at STP? 1 mole of gas at STP how much? 22.4 liters. This is 3 moles. Okay. If you want, you can write 3 moles are this is. In place of mole, I wrote 22.4 liters. Clear? Correct. 3 moles, sir. So you have to multiply into 3. Now, what is the next siding I given? Next siding. Please, anyone? Yes. All gases you can take 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. All gases if they mention at STP condition. At STP condition they mention means you have to take all gases 1 mole equal to 22.4 liter. So in that case, no doubt, sir, we have to take. Okay. We'll try some other problems also. If possible, you can get. One simple question I am giving. Please try to note down. If you note it down, we can do more number of problems. If I am writing means that going very slow. That is. Please note down one question. Limestone decomposes into limestone. Limestone means formula CaCO3. Decomposes into quicklime. Quicklime formula. Quicklime CaO. Limestone decomposes into quicklime on strong heating. How much quantity of limestone will be required? How much quantity of limestone will be required to prepare 100 kg of quicklime? 100 kg of quicklime. 100 kg of quicklime. Can you solve this one? Yes, quicklime CaO. Yes, 100 kg, sir. 100 kg quicklime I need. Whatever they are given, first you need to write equation, sir. CaCO3 heating. Already I given 2 to 3 times in this class only. CaCO3 heating. What will get? Now, right? Try to solve this one. I'm giving 1 minute time. Who are not getting, those people again will solve. So you got answer? Anyone you got answer? 178.57. 178.57 kg, sir. This is the correct answer. If anyone you got, you can check, sir. You people correct. Very simple this is. CaCO3 heating. CaO plus CO2. 100 grams will give how much, sir? 56 grams. What they're expecting? 100 kg. So 100 kg if I need, how much this is back? Is it correct? Just discuss. So 100, this is gram into 100 kg, sir. Kg by 56 grams. So you can multiply this, you can calculate, you will get answer finally, I think so, 178.57 kg is the final answer. Any doubt here? Yes. Yeah, even you can give grams also, no issue. If you have any doubt, please let me know. Very simple, sir. Just all are vegetable calculations only. Again, very simple, sir. Nothing is going to be difficult here. Yes, sir. Based on, I am asking in kg, you can give kg or grams also, no issue. That is also correct. Nothing is. According to equation, First you need to know equation, sir. CaCO3 heating, what will get? CaO plus CO2. 100 grams of CaCO3 are heating. Array, weight of CaCO3 is 100 grams. Don't think how we are getting 100. Weight of CaCO3 is 100 and weight of CO is 56. 100 grams I am heating, 56 I will get. But question is 100 kg of CaO they required. So how much amount you have to take? Just back crisscross. Then you can find out answer. Array, I am giving just simple question. In kgs only can give answer, doesn't matter. Or in grams also you can give. Actual option they will mention kg or grams. According to that you can proceed. Now I am asking either grams or kg, both I am accepting. I think so. One more question, please find. Array, very simple these are. Try. A specimen of hematite a specimen of hematite contains 20% of Fe2O3. What weight of iron can be obtained? What weight of iron can be obtained from 1 ton of hematite? Can be obtained from 1 ton, sir. 1 ton. I think so. 1 ton meaning you know that one. How many grams you can take, sir? How many kg or grams you can find? 1 ton of hematite. You can give answer in terms of ton only. In terms of ton, you can give answer. In terms of ton. So iron weight you have to calculate. You should be know that one iron weight how much. That's why I told you starting only have to by head up to 30 elements. Anyway, I am giving here weight of Fe2 CO3. Please next time you can find out 160 grams, sir. Anyone you done? What is the formula I wrote? Fe2O3 only, no formula. Fe2O3. Anywhere I wrote wrong? No, no. Fe2O3 only, sir. Fe2O3. Not Fe2CO3, only Fe2O3. Fe2O3. Fe2O3, sir. Hematite formula is Fe2O3. Don't take C. Okay, fine. I hope some people tried. Very good. Yes, sir. Very good. Someone they given correct answer. I seen that one. You can give in terms of ton or grams. Anything is correct. Yes, yes. Very good. 0.14 ton. Yes, correct, sir. Correct answer. Even 140. Yes, correct, sir. You are given very good answer. And here they mentioned 20% of, okay, iron. Understood? So 20% only Fe2O3 present in this case. If you are taking 1 ton, 20%. If you are taking 100 means 20, 1 means 0.2. Is correct? What is the meaning of 20% meaning, sir? If I am taking 100 ton, I will get only 20 of Fe2O3. Is correct? If I am taking 1 ton, how much I will get? 0.2 Fe2O3. Ton of Fe2O3 will get. Is it correct? 100%. That 20% meaning out of 100, 20 only Fe2O3 is there. Remaining have impurities. Remaining have impurities. If I am taking 1 ton means 20% means how much, sir? 20 by 100, 0.2 ton. Now simply the given here we know that one Fe2O3 is there. We are heating. We'll get assume that one 2Fe plus 3 by 2 O2. Assume this one. Now in this case, if I am taking 160 grams, how much I am getting, sir? 2 into 56. 2 into 56 I will get, sir. If we are taking Fe2O3, how much? 0.2 tons. Because only 20% Fe2O3 is present. Then how much will you get? So X equal to 2 into 56 into 0.2 ton by 160. By solving this, you will get 0.14 ton of iron. If any doubt, please we can ask. Otherwise, read question one more time. Right, 20% purity I given. That we didn't consider actually. If I am taking here 100 grams of compound that contain only 20. Remaining is impurities. That is not Fe2O3. That may contain copper, any other things, zinc, and any different they have. Only pure Fe2O3 is 20 only. Pure Fe2O3 how much, sir? Only 20. That's why. Understood? Only pure we need. If I am taking pure Fe2O3, then only we get 2 into 56 grams. Pure Fe2O3 how much is there? 0.2 ton. So that's why. Please find your mistake. This basic equation 160 grams if you are heating, I will get 2 into 56. But the question they given only 20% Fe2O3 is present. Means if I am taking 100 ton, I will get 20 tons. If 1 ton means how much I will get? What is the weight of Fe2O3? I will get 0.2 ton of Fe2O3. This is only Fe2O3. Remaining is impurities. We know that 160 grams of Fe2O3 we are heating, 2 into 56 grams of iron we will get. Then 0.2 ton we are heating, how much we will get? That is simple. Array, 1 iron is 56. Then how many iron is there here? 2 into 56. Because someone they are asking why 2 into 56. Array, 1 iron is 56. Then how many iron is there here? 2. Got it? We are giving one more problem. Please find out. Maybe little bit difficulty I am increasing if you like that is. Huh? Because all these are basic still. Now we are entering slowly problems. Try to solve. If you are able to solve, we can find. If you are not getting, no problem. I will solve this question. Okay. Please find. Hey, note down only 2-line sentence. Huh? Please note down. Now we are noted down. Everyone is good because we are not asking number of times repeating, sir. That's fine. Right. A 10-gram sample of KClO3, 10-gram sample of KClO3 gave on complete combustion, complete combustion, complete combustion, complete combustion, 2.24 liters of oxygen at NTP. At NTP. NTP or STP almost same, no difference. What is the percentage purity of the sample of potassium chlorate? What is the percentage purity? What is the percentage purity of potassium chlorate? Nothing but KClO3. So 10 grams of KClO3 are combustion. We are getting 2.24 liters of O2, sir. O2 at STP or NTP. Both are same. What is the percentage purity of potassium chlorate? Whatever they are given, first you have to write equation, sir. KClO3 gives rise 2 KCl plus 3 O2. This is our basic equation. Understood? Right, weight of this one already I mentioned. I think so somewhere I given that weight. Here, sir, we calculated already. Please find. Try to solve. If you are not getting, I will explain. If at least maybe out of 200 or 230, at least few members they can solve. Doesn't matter whatever we are giving question. Remaining people you can solve this question, sir. You don't worry. First try to solve. Percentage purity. Weight by W total into 100. Nothing but weight by weight percent. Yeah, some people they given answer. Let me see, sir. 78.6. Okay, fine. At least they are giving some people nearby. Fine. Yeah, 78. Fine. 78.6% or 78. Okay, nearby answers. Fine. Clear? Yeah, shall we try this question? Right. 2 KClO3 heating. Already I told you first you have to know how to write equation. Then according to equation you can write weight 2 into 122.5 How much are they giving? 3 into 22.4 liters NTP. Is it correct? Because 3 moles. But how much they given, sir, volume? How much they're expecting? 2.24 liters. So 2.24 liters, if I need oxygen, how much this is? Again, same, we are doing stable calculations only again. What is the X value? Just crisscross 2.24 into 2 into 122.5 by 3 into 22.4. Clear? I hope we can solve this is by 10 times. Clear? Then solve this is how much you'll get X equal to. I think so. By solving this is 8.16 grams. Okay. Percentage purity equal to weight by total weight total, sir, into 100. I am getting this is the actual weight. 8.18 grams is enough. But in the question they given 10 grams weight, sir, into 100. We'll get 81.6%. Array, if 10 grams out of 10, 8.16 is the pure compound. Remaining is impurity, sir. Out of 10 grams of compound, 8.16 grams is pure and remaining is impure. So I need to find out percentage of purity. Yes, correct. 81.6%. Can you find if some people are giving different answers? Why you done mistakes? Can you find here? Maybe a calculation mistake. Nothing is remaining. That process you can find. Array, which is starting one, they won't provide any equation, sir. They will give only sentence. This is you should be know that one. Okay, this should be you have to know this part. Then remaining part you have to apply our problem. Array, you can do different way also. Doesn't matter, sir. Ultimately, we need answer. Some people are doing different way. That's very good actually. Okay. We can do any method, sir. Ultimately, you are getting answer or not. That is the only important here. Which method you done doesn't matter here. If you are trying different method, means that is too good, sir. Too good that is. Any doubt up to this? I hope no doubt. Huh? But I think so. Seekers they provided materials, some basic concepts. Any material they provided, either soft copy or hard copy. Please can you respond? Yes or no? Only two options, sir. We don't want too many options. Huh? No, 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 no. Okay, fine. Okay. Okay, fine. Would you like to buy any textbook? Means to solving all these problems. Huh? If you like, I will suggest one book that is good only, not bad. If you done that book also good, you will get more than mains level. For advanced, we can see next thing. Even that problems is advanced only. Book also mains plus advanced only. If you'd like to buy, I will suggest one book. Okay. If you already have any other book, fine. That is also. If you have any other book, any other brand, that's also too good. So I'm giving sir here. Can you find? One book is Narendra Avasti. That is Sri Balaji Publications. Narendra Avasti. That is the author name. Narendra Avasti. That contain only problems. Narendra Avasti. That have only formula of one paper. Then remaining is problems, numericals. Narendra Avasti is the one book. That is the only numericals, mains plus advanced that book also. If you want theory plus problems, you may can buy Singaze brand. Singaze, we have Singaze brand, sir. That's also good. That have mistakes we can accept, but collection is very good. Singaze publications. Volume 1 you can buy, that is for JE, mains and advanced. Theory plus problems that both contain. If you have other brand also, this problem all are copy paste only. Okay, that is also too good. Narendra Avasti, Sri Balaji Publications. Even some other books there, even you can solve. R.C. Mukherjee also, that is good book. But to understand that level, we need some knowledge. Huh? That's why. So Narendra Avasti, level 1, level 2 problems is there. So level 1 easy. Then level 2, if you done, that's also good. J means they're not asking too tough questions. That's more than enough that book. Narendra Avasti. Okay. Or Singaze Publications, Volume 1. Singaze. Singaze Publications or Sri Balaji Publication. Or if you type internet JE books for Narendra Avasti, physical chemistry, they will provide everything. Huh? I think so internet will correct spelling everything. Don't worry that one. Any other slide, sir? Any other you need? Opitan also good book. Opitan already have that one, fine. Don't buy if you have one book, don't buy other book. If you have any one physical chemistry book, don't buy other books. If you don't have any book, then only. Okay. Up to 5th slide, I shown that one. You can find remaining. If you have already any other brand book, don't buy this. All are copy paste books only. Clear. Shall we? I think so. Next class we'll solve some previous questions also based on this data. Some of the friends they are sharing links also. You can see books linkage links. If possible, you can download. But try to buy hard copy. Soft copy we can't use long time. That may can affect your health and eyes and everything. If possible, buy one hard copy. You can follow one book only. Take remaining people breaks up. Just I'm showing slides only now. Which is I shown slides you can note down. Remaining which is remaining slides I will come back. Again you can't go first to last. Now suppose this 8th slide or 9th, you can get that is that slide open, that is which is that you can correct. Why have to do again starting onwards? We can do again back. Change like this way. If I'm opening 10th slide, if any corrections there, you can note down 10th slide. Then come back again whenever I open that is. We have 1 hour time. We can't give homework here. Okay. If anyone you need personally, you can send through WhatsApp. I will provide. Better if you buy either one book for numericals, you can solve that book completely. Array, someone said you can activate Windows. Maybe he called, but I didn't lift. But today you can try. Today evening or like that. Array, you can see first slide I opened. Next time be on time. Huh? Don't come late. Try to take screenshot. Try to practice all these things. Then only you can understand next class. If you're not practicing, you're coming as it is means no use of that one. At least same problems, same questions you can solve one or twice on paper. If you are not understand, then you may can get easily. If you understood, fine, everything you feel easy. Otherwise, you need to solve sir. And I am showing again one words. Please take screenshots. Next class, you can solve little bit more problems. There's a fifth slide already shown that one. I hope. First we can buy one book. Inorganic, organic also will suggest. First we can buy physical chemistry, which we started. Inorganic, even OP turned enough. For JDLE also is there. Concise inorganic chemistry. JDLE. Author is Sudarshan Guha. Even that's also good book. But they contain less problems. Theory is too good, but problem is less. That's why OP Tandon or Singh's publication is easy. They have easy language they wrote, and more number of problems will be there. If once you done that books, then everything is easy. Array, see, almost we done. Array, take just screenshot. Ask let's say that one. Things already we done these things. Try to prepare some problems you can solve yourself. You are finding anywhere, you can solve those also. Thank you very much.